In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a form on Microsoft Forms. Microsoft Forms is a versatile tool that allows us to create surveys, quizzes, and polls. There are times when creating a form from scratch is not necessary, especially if we already have a form that's close to what we need for a new project. That's where duplicating a form comes in handy, saving us time and effort. First off, to begin this process, we'll need to access Microsoft Forms. You can do this by navigating to the Microsoft Forms website. Once you've arrived at the site, the next step is to sign in. Look for the sign in button and click on it. This action prompts you to enter your credentials. At this point, you'll be required to provide your email address. Enter the email associated with your Microsoft account. After entering your email, click on the Next button to proceed. The following step will ask you for your password. Make sure you input the correct password associated with your Microsoft account and then click on Next again. This should take you into your Microsoft Forms dashboard where all your previously created forms are displayed. Now let's get to the part where we actually duplicate a form. Locate the form you wish to duplicate from your dashboard. You'll see a list of your forms, each with a name and possibly a description. Click on the form you're interested in duplicating to select it. Upon selecting the form, you'll notice a three-dot menu icon, often referred to as the More Options icon. Click on this icon to reveal additional options. Among these options, you'll find Collaborate and Duplicate. For our purpose, we'll focus on the duplicate option, but Collaborate is worth noting if you ever want to work on a form with others. Selecting Duplicate initiates the process of creating a new instance of your chosen form. However, in some scenarios you might want to use the form as a template instead of an exact duplicate. This is where the Share as a Template option comes into play. When you choose Share as a Template, Microsoft Forms generates a link that you can share with others or use yourself. Copy this link to your clipboard. The next step is to open a new tab in your web browser. In this new tab, paste the link you've just copied into the address bar and press enter. This action opens a new instance of Microsoft Forms with a template based on the original form you selected. You'll see an option labeled Duplicate It on this new page. Clicking on this will create a new form in your dashboard that is a copy of the original form. This duplicated form is fully editable, meaning you can make any necessary adjustments or additions to tailor it to your new needs. It's worth mentioning a few additional tips at this stage. While duplicating forms is incredibly efficient, always ensure the new form aligns with your current needs. Review all questions, titles, and descriptions to ensure relevance and accuracy. Additionally, if you're using the form in a different context or for a different audience, consider adjusting the settings, including who can respond and whether responses are anonymous. In conclusion, duplicating a form on Microsoft Forms is a straightforward process that can significantly streamline your workflow when dealing with similar forms or needing a base template to start from. Whether you're conducting research, gathering feedback, or planning an event, this feature is designed to make your life easier. Remember, the key to effective form duplication is knowing when to use this feature and taking the time to customize the duplicated form to suit your specific needs. With these steps and tips, you're now equipped to duplicate forms efficiently in Microsoft Forms. Whether for work, school, or personal projects, this skill will undoubtedly come in handy. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.